Do you have do you have hope for AI helping with some of the video generation, some of the world generation, some of the open world assistance in generating the world?
Yes, limited. Absolutely. If used correctly, it will be a great tool. If used incorrectly, it will lead to loads of generic stuff.
Yeah.
I've been in games for 29 years, and all the time, the piece of tech that's going to make making games much easier and much cheaper is about to turn up. And all that's happened is the games have got much better and way more expensive. So I'm always nervous about saying, finally, we have that bit of tech that makes our lives easier. But it looks as if it might be able to do that when you use it in the right way. If you use it, if you use it to try and as a substitute for creativity, it's going to be really generic.